Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something that is so awesome. I did a video and I cannot find it, and I intended to share this over a year ago, but I said, you know what? I can do it now. So I stopped buying the Great Value toilet paper. I usually get I think it's 24 rolls, if I'm not mistaken, 20 or 24 rolls. I usually get that. I stopped buying that, and I usually get the boxes of tissue. I used to do this some time ago from like Walmart, the Great Value box where you get like 4 or 5 boxes of tissue. I have to have tissue all around my house. It's just a must. In my living room, in my kitchen, in my bedrooms, on my nightstands, in my office, I like to have tissue around. You just never know when you need tissue. So I started it's been going to be going on 2 years, buying Amazon commercial facial flat box tissues. I don't like the fact that they change what they look like. I'm going to show you because I found an old box in my storage when I was moving, and I love that look better. And so they changed it with this yellow. It used to just be all white, but I'll show it to you. And then here you get 30 boxes of Kleenex tissue, whatever you want to call these, and it's 100 in each box, and it's 2-ply. Great price. These only are $23.99, so you're paying less than $1 per box, and they last, and I haven't had a problem with them. You know, some tissues can be abrasive, and you know, when I wasn't feeling well, I was using them constantly. Had no problem with them irritating my nose or anything like that. And the price, you guys know, I'm going to show you how to save a dime. When you buy in bulk like this, it's a difference, because I know sometimes people struggle with the food buying in bulk because it can be wasteful, but we know we're going to always use this. We always have to use this. If we're eating, we definitely need these. If you're alive, you're definitely going to need these, right? So this is me sharing with you what they look like and the quality of them. I am down to, I think, about 9 rolls of this. So I was like, okay, it's time to order. And it was great because I used my Discover rewards to actually purchase this. And I'm telling you guys that because I'm going to get more into on this channel on how to build your credit. And I'm not because I do that, but because it's important and it's little things that can help you see that 800 credit score. Those are the things that I want to share, because people have shared them with me, and it has been a blessing to me, and things that we don't know that is an actual positive in our life to make us save our coins and earn money. So yeah, that was just a little throw in. But anyways, let me go upstairs. We're going to go into my office. I'm going to show you what this tissue looks like, and I'm going to show you what the facial tissues look like. That way you can have a, you know, live review of it and see me opening it, how thin they feel or whatever the case may be, and then we'll go from there. Wait a minute, I forgot. So this is 96 rolls, and this was $61.99 or 61 even. You cannot beat that. Mind you, I'm just throwing this in there before I take you to show you what this looks like. I was a Scott girl because that's all my mother used. I love Scott. It lasts long. I never was a cottonelle. If this, you know, the fluffy tissue that leaves the stuff on your bunkie and all that. They say it don't do it now, but still, I just don't like that really thick tissue. I just can't. And it runs out so fast, especially if you have a family. It's just not cost effective to me. I love Scott, and I started loving Great Value because it was comparable, and now I'm in love with these, and this is what we use. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is what the tissue looks like inside of the box, and they're all rolled up nicely. So you get 96 of them, and this is it right here. And it's just, so let me open this up, and it's perfect because I needed to open one up for my bathroom. So let me open one up. Let me open this up. So here's the tissue. This is what it looks like. Just comparable to Scott. I like it. It's soft. It's nice. And yeah, it lasts me, oh my gosh, it lasts me close to, I want to say like 8 or 9 months, because I'm just now buying more, and I bought my other box just before I want to say relocated, so it lasts a long time. And yeah, so this is the tissue, and this is what the boxes look like now. I just feel like they really shouldn't have did that. They should have kept it real neutral. This is the old box I found. It was squished up in my storage, but I'm still going to use it. I love the white sleek look of this. It's not too much going on now. I got these big bright yellow boxes. I really wish that they would have kept it with this. I feel like this would have been more cost efficient because you have to use dye to make this box this color. So yeah, so this is what they look like, the tissues, and they are nice size. Yeah, and this box is the old box, and it was just all white. I didn't use this one yet, but after this is gone I will be. So yeah, that's the difference. This is what it looks like, and I feel like this will save you some coins. Now let's talk about the price. Now with Scott, if you got the Scott tissues, that's 20 rows, those are about $15.32 per package, right? Now if I did that times 4, that would only give me 80 rows, so that'll be $62. I'm getting 96 rows, so I will get another 16 rows and still save money, because with these it's 96 rows and you are going to get that for $61. So with Scott you're going to be paying 62 and you're only getting 80 rows. You see what I'm saying? So with this it's going to save you money because you're getting 96 rows and it comes at one time and you don't have to buy it often. And if you like a mom with just one child, or you know, a couple or something, this is going to last you a long time. It should last you through the year. And so that can be your budget for tissue and for toilet paper. And these last quite a while because technically we don't use these as much, so I didn't have to buy these as much. I think this is my 3rd time buying these and my 2nd time buying these here. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Now with the tissue, they have, now these only have 100 sheets, but the Walmart Great Value has 120 sheets, but it's $1.32 per box. I don't think that's worth it, because once you do 30 boxes, you're going to be paying 40 bucks. I got 30 boxes for $23.99. So I wanted you to hear the cost comparison as well. I hope this was helpful. These are the type of videos I want to bring to you because a lot of us are still learning how to save. Where can we save? And because I'm a woman that has experience and wisdom, there's a lot of people my age and a lot of people younger and people older who need these things. These are the type of videos that make me feel good because I know that I can help somebody make a decision to save some coins. So with that being said, if you're new to the family, join the family by subscribing. Share this video with friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll be sure to get back to you, and I will see you guys later, Gators.